Meaning of fast breeder reactor.
Fast breeder reactor.
Fast breeder reactor.
Fast breeder reactor.
Fast breeder reactor. A fast breeder reactor is a type of nuclear reactor that uses fast-moving neutrons to convert non-fissile uranium-238 into fissile plutonium-239. This allows the reactor to create more nuclear fuel than it consumes, resulting in a self-sustaining chain reaction. Fast breeder reactors have the potential to produce significantly more energy than traditional nuclear reactors and can help reduce reliance on fossil fuels. However, they also pose significant safety and security challenges and have been controversial due to concerns over nuclear proliferation and radioactive waste disposal.